this is my polynomial in y, highest power is 5, and this 7 part is this. So this is our highest power is 2. So step 1 will be what? I am saying 6y5 upon 3y square is equal to what? 2 times, and this will be what? 3, right? So what I will get? 2y cube. Okay, so I will say this one should be multiplied by this. Okay, so what I will get? 2y cube multiplied by 3y square plus 5. Okay, tell me what I will get? 2y cube into 3y square, that is 6y5 plus 10y cube. Okay, now this thing I get. Now second what I will do? Second I will minus beta. Second I will do minus. And what will be my minus thing? See, I have this one up to like this way. Okay, because I have cube type of things. Up to this cube type of things. So what I will do? 6y5 plus 15y4 plus 16y cube minus your this thing. 6y5. Okay, now is there is anything of y4? No. So I will simply write 0y4 plus 10y cube. Okay, so what will be my answer? 5 will be minus by 5. So this thing will be cancelled. Now 4, there is nothing. So I will write directly 15y4. And y cube is minus 10. So 16 minus 10, it will be what? Plus 6y cube. You got second step. Second step. Step 2. Step 2 will be what? Second step is y4. So leading term is 15y4. See, in the question, it is 15y4. And my term is what? My second 3y square plus 5. So my leading term is this. So I will do what? 3y square. Okay. So tell me what I will get. I will get 5y2. I will get 5y2. Now I will multiply. What I will do? 5y square multiplied by your 3y square plus 5. Okay. So what I will get? 15y4 plus 25y square. Okay, y4 because 5 is cancelled already previously. Now, so what I will do? 15y4 plus 6y3 plus 4y square minus your 15y4 plus 0. There is no term of cube. So 0y cube plus 25y square. Okay, now do minus. It is 15 cancelled. So I will y cube. There is nothing for y cube. It is directly 6y cube. And what is about 4 minus? It will be minus 21y square. Okay, so this is your second step. That's only. In my step 3, what I will do? 6y cube divided by 6y square, because always my term that is checking term that is divided at the denominator side, it will be 3y square. So I will do by 6, it is 3y square. So it is 2 times and multiply means what? 2y into your 3y square plus 5. Okay, so I get directly 2 3 the 6, 6y cube plus 10y. Okay, now again I will subtract because I have this term. So 6y cube minus 21y square plus 10y minus your 6y cube plus 0y square plus 10y. Okay, tell me what I will get. This one will be cancelled. This y will be cancelled. Only I have minus 21y square. Okay, 21y square I get. And my leading term is 3y square. Okay, so y square cancelled and I will get minus 7 only. So what I will do? Multiply minus 7 into 3y square plus 5. Okay, what I will get? Minus 21y square minus 35. Okay, now I will minus, then I will subtract. Subtract will be what? Minus 21y square plus 10y minus 35 minus of what I will get. What I have get already. So minus 21y square plus 0. There is no term of y and minus 35. So tell me minus 35 and this one is my y. I get only 10y. 2y also I have. Minus 21y square and this one. So these are what? Multiplying terms. So fine. So first we read